I am a fellow pioneer, and I just found something alarming on the blockchain. This is an urgent analysis of a massive vulnerability. Pi is rolling out a new security feature. Most pioneers have no clue. 4 days ago, attackers exploited the rollout window. They moved faster than anyone. They slipped a hidden key into hundreds of Pi wallets. The pioneers who own those wallets have no idea their tokens are already gone. You need to act fast. Attackers targeted exactly 1,267 addresses. They moved fast. While pioneers slept, they slipped hidden keys into over 1,000 wallets. It was one coordinated strike across the entire network. We need to look at what a multi-sig wallet actually is. A multi-sig requires 2 or more unique signatures to authorize a token transfer. The original intent was good. A single stolen key drains an entire normal wallet. Multi-sig fixes that. Requiring 2 keys means one compromised key alone cannot move your tokens. It was designed to keep us safe, smarter, better protected. But look at the reality of these exploited wallets. Both the owner and the attacker hold keys. Both are required. Threshold high is set to 2. The owner cannot send without the attacker's permission. The attacker will never give it. This isn't a glitch. This was deliberate. The evidence is sitting public on Pi's mainnet right now. On June 5th and 6th, a specific wallet sent 0.5 Pi to those 1,267 addresses. Small payments, one after another, at incredible speed. The second those small payments landed, every single receiving wallet executed a set options transaction. A second signer key was added to each account, and it was this exact key, the same scammer key every single time. One key, hundreds of wallets. A community investigator who goes by Bulby_bot spotted this massive pattern. He ran a script across 558 unique addresses from that initial attack list. The results were staggering. Every single one had the same scammer key added, a 100% match. One example wallet tells the entire tragic story. Wallet GCEGHACQ. You can go to the Pi Block Explorer right now and verify this exact address. You will see everything. Look at this wallet's history. 1 year ago, it was swept. 467 Pi taken, gone. The owner lost their available balance to scammers in 2025. But this wallet still has 324 Pi sitting in a lockup, releasing January 7th, 2027. The owner thought those locked tokens were safe. They survived the first attack. Until 4 days ago. 4 days ago, that scammer key was added. Threshold high is set to 2. Both keys are now needed. The owner can't send alone. When January 7th, 2027 arrives, the attacker's bot will be waiting, ready to move before the owner can even react. The locked Pi is already stolen. The owner just doesn't know it yet. We must be careful right now, because what comes next is a theory. It's an unconfirmed hypothesis based strictly on independently verifiable on-chain observations by a community member. It is not an official statement, but the blockchain data tells a very specific story. Bulby_bot observed this timeline on the network. First, the core team quietly opened a multi-sig creation on Mainnet. Second, the attackers were watching and acted immediately. They sent 0.5 Pi to wallets they had previously compromised. Third, those wallets executed the command to add the scammer key. Fourth, the ability to create multi-sig on Pi mainnet was abruptly blocked. The window opened. The attackers moved. The window closed. This attack didn't come from nowhere. Look at the pattern. In mid-2025, scammers swept wallets as tokens unlocked. Straight theft. By December 2025, they used fake payment requests to manipulate pioneers. They stole millions of Pi before the feature was frozen. Now, in June 2026, they turned a legitimate security feature into a permanent trap. The scammers are evolving. Each attack is more sophisticated, each one harder to reverse. I am telling you this directly. If you were scammed in 2025, if your wallet was swept, if you still have locked Pi coming, check your wallet right now. Follow these exact steps. Open blockexplorer.mypi.com. Search your wallet's public key address. Click the Signing tab. Look at the list of keys. You need to see exactly who holds signing power over your tokens today. If you only see your own key, you're safe. No multi-sig was added. If you see 2 keys, check the second one against the scammer address. If it's there, do not panic. Do not share your 24-word passphrase with anyone claiming they can fix it. Contact Pi Network support through official channels only at support.mindtai.com. Never share your passphrase. Not with support, not with moderators, nobody. The community needs the core team to answer 3 questions right now. First, was Multisig deliberately enabled and then disabled in response to this attack? The on-chain timeline suggests yes, but silence from the team leaves pioneers guessing. We need clarity. Second, is there a recovery mechanism for wallets that already have the attacker's key? If yes, announce it now. If no, say that clearly so victims stop waiting. The honest reality right now is no public recovery method exists for wallets compromised this way. Third, what is being done to prevent the next evolution of this attack? Because if the pattern holds, something more sophisticated is coming. The core team built this network. They have the data. They have the ability to act. If a legitimate security upgrade can be weaponized in hours, what happens when open Mainnet launches? We cover this because we care about the community. Open the Block Explorer today. Check your wallet.